We are living in a world where you never know when the situation becomes worse to survive. Wars, political issues, outbreaks of diseases, natural disasters, anything can lock you and your family down in your home at any time. And you will never be certain when the situation becomes stable. In this kind of situation, the scarcity becomes more intense, but you need to keep you and your family fed. That's why we came up with the best 5 survival food kits. Let's check them out. Legacy Food Storage is well known at providing lowest food cost per calorie, especially during the time of emergency. Introducing the Legacy Emergency Food Ultimate Sample Pack. Comes with 183 large servings, enough for your breakfast, lunch, dinner, sides and drinks. This pack of food features 15 entries for breakfasts, 6 sides and 2 drinks, providing you 40,836 calories in total. It has 25 years shelf life, comes in 4 serving mealer pouch with an oxygen absorber and nitrogen flush, and packed in 1 large bucket. These meals are really easy to prepare. You can get them ready by just adding water into it. Overall, the Legacy meals are made with only high-quality ingredients, has long-term shelf life, and has the best value on freeze-dried food storage in the industry. The Legacy Emergency Food Ultimate Sample Pack is perfect for hiking, backpacking, camping, or long-term emergency preparations. Wise Company delivers survival food and supplies to keep everyone prepared for any disasters that can happen to anyone, anytime. Introducing the Wise Company Emergency Food Supply. Comes with 104 servings and 25-year shelf life. It provides a delicious variety of ready-to-eat food including breakfast, lunch and dinner, fruit, vegetables, snacks and milk. This multi-use ready-to-eat food is perfect for daily use or can be stored away for unplanned emergencies. In this pack, the meals are packed in pouches inside stackable buckets to ensure quality and convenience. You can simply prepare this food without even cooking. Just add water. Rehydration happens within 12 to 15 minutes. The Wise Company Emergency Food Supply is perfect for any type of emergency, camping, or everyday use. Wise Food Storage offers a fantastic selection of long-term survival food and emergency food kits to survive any emergency situation. Presenting the Emergency Freeze-Dried Meat from Wise Food Storage. Comes with 60 servings. These 60 total servings include seasoned beef and poultry individually wrapped in convenient 4-portion packs. This food supply has 15 years of shelf life designed to reduce waste and worry while maintaining disaster preparedness kits. These foods are easy to prepare in any situation. Just add water, wait 12 to 15 minutes and have it conveniently. The entire kit comes with convenient stacking tub that stores easily at home or in your vehicle for emergency situation, and all you need is to grab and go. The emergency freeze-dried meat can be taken along on hiking, backpacking, and camping trips to add delicious, savory meat to any meal. Mountain House specializes in freeze-dried foods including from biscuits and gravy to chicken fajitas for all climates and adventures. Introducing the Mountain House Classic Bucket. Comes with 12 total meal with 29 servings in buckets, enough to feed a person for 3.5 days. These 12 pouches include 2 each beef strong enough with noodles, chicken teriyaki with rice, beef stew, lasagna with meat sauce, noodles and chicken, and granola with milk and blueberries. All you need is just adding water to the pouch and you can eat in less than 10 minutes with no extra cleanup. Every pouch in every stackable and portable Mountain House just in case bucket assortments has a proven 30-year shelf life, so it is good to have on hand just in case of an emergency or for when you may need to feed a large audience. The Mountain House Classic Bucket is suitable for emergency food storage, survival food, camping trips, backcountry hiking, RV expeditions, and many more. Augason Firms is the leader in emergency food storage, survival gear, and water storage. That's why it is a pretty well-known name among the survivalists. Now let's meet the Augason Firm's 30-day emergency food. A QSS certified food supply, specially made to ensure the nourishment for the survivalists in emergency situation. This food supply is suitable for one person, enough for 30 days, or for a family of 4, the supply remains for a week. Augason Firm's 30-day emergency food contains cheesy broccoli rice, chicken, macaroni, cheese, vegetable, and so on. This food supply will give you 1800 calories and 40 grams of protein per day. The food is secured in a watertight, easily transportable 8.5-gallon pail that is perfect for storing at home and office for unexpected emergencies. The Augason Firm's 30-day emergency food is perfect for you if you want to be in a better position to survive and thrive during a crisis. So that was all about the 5 best survival food kits for outdoor. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.